All right, so for this video, we're gonna do the circular pattern. So let's just go to the back face. Let's start with making a sketch. Click here, this face, and we're gonna go to create and do a point, just a point, which will help us find the curve center axis. So once again, I'll look for the center where is there snaps, and go to here bottom, and just go until I appear both lines. There you go. At the center, I press a point, and the sketch is just a point. And now I will go with this construct. I'm going to do click versus axis perpendicular to face at a point. Make sure it is this one, not perpendicular at point, perpendicular to face at point. So I click that one, I click a face, I click that point, I press OK, and now I have an axis that's going through the middle of the part. All right, we need an axis like this to make a circular feature. So now we go again to create a sketch. We'll click this back face. I will create a circle. All right, doesn't matter dimensions. You can just do whatever dimensions you want. In this case, I will do, just to keep it fully constrained, I will do 0.5. Right, but you can see how it's still free to move. Maybe I'll just do 0.25. That was pretty small. You can see how for escape, this is free to move around because it's not constrained. So I'll just put it somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, that's fine. Finish sketch. And then I will do extrude. I will choose that face. Let's do a 0.5 extrusion, something like that. We can also do a cut, but let's just do that one. And now we go here to the circular pattern. We select the feature, which is that one, not this face. So press escape. So once again, here, circular pattern, that one, and the axis, we're gonna select this axis that was formed here. And once again, by default, it shows 3. So you can, of course, do more. And you can see it will do something like that. So about 8. You can do full distribution, partial symmetric, like we've done, like I will show you in the last video. But okay, and now you have your circular pattern like that. So in case you want to something circular pattern, once again, it's the same process. So I think this is the last video on this one. I will show you the other on this part. I will show you still a couple more stuff to do. How to do a how to do a revolve, a sweep, and a loft. But essentially that's it for this part. Oh, and I think probably we can do one more with this part. All right, so let's save this one, and I'll see you in the next video.